Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a product review for a skincare product. This is the Smoothing Jade Roller Eye Serum by Patchology. It's the Hero Status Role Model. Love it. Has anti-aging actives, peptides, and niacinamide. Get the gold medal for skin smoothing. Then it has bakuchiol, which is the plant-based retinol alternative that I kind of know how to pronounce. Bakuchiol. And there's a genuine yellow quartz roller ball that instantly cools and soothes. There's also antioxidants, blueberry, and acai extracts to help from environmental stressors. Here's how it looks, so cute. Frosty glass. This is moisturizing. Oh, we are in the clear with this. Okay, cool. I have a little bit of eye cream on, but I think it absorbed. Oh, I'm so excited about this. Literal yellow quartz. This is so beautiful. So quartz can come in different colors. Traditional quartz is going to be like a clear quartz. There's also smoky quartz. There's rose quartz. And then this is yellow quartz. So this is depending on the different type of minerals that were there when the quartz was created, how long this rock in particular was underneath the ground, and the climate in which this crystal was formed that creates this yellow color. And it's also got like a citrine feel to it. So this is going to boost our success mojo. This is going to boost our emotional well-being, and that's what I'm feeling from this crystal. Wow. Okay, cool. This is like the roll-on eye serum that I have been searching for because it's moisturizing, it's got the peptides, it's got that retinol alternative, it's got a freaking crystal. This is so smooth. Boom. Product review done. Product review done. This stuff is amazing. I am hooked.